DOWL Laser Black Technology, DW Series Laser Obstacle Removal Device. It adopts an all-metal casing body. Sturdy, lightweight and with strong corrosion resistance. Backpack design. Adapt to various complex working environments and terrains. The screen of the power box can monitor the battery usage in real time. The DOWL Laser Obstacle Remover is equipped with the latest laser aiming and firing device. 66 optical zoom makes it easy to aim at targets within 500 meters. 180-degree bidirectional adjustment with an accuracy of up to 0.01 arcseconds. DOWL Laser Black Technology.